Miraculously, there were no serious injuries, and Alex's daughter Sophia was completely unharmed. Alex and his wife had just picked up their daughter from karate class and were on their way home when they found themselves in the middle of a huge storm with high winds and heavy rain. Alex told us he was going about 30 miles per hour due to the low visibility when he slammed on the brakes for debris in the road. He managed to slide to a stop before hitting a downed tree, but the driver behind him wasn't able to stop. Alex's Infiniti Q50 was launched over the downed tree when a Subaru slammed into it from behind. Miraculously, there were no serious injuries, and Alex's daughter Sophia was completely unharmed.